Hi everyone, this is the first recording for 12th standard practicals. Okay, so in this we'll cover the basic information what is been needed. Okay, all right. So first we'll just talk about what marks. Okay, so total marks for the practicals are 30, out of which 15 marks are for your practical, actual practical what you will be doing it, and for Viva 5 marks. Your project work would consist of 10 marks. So this is how the breakdown is. All right. Now because of the COVID, we have only 4 practicals to cover. In the 4 practicals, 2 are for optics and 2 are for current electricity. Alright, so we'll just go through all the practicals that we'll be doing. Okay, so first one is to find the focal length of a convex lens by using a UV method. Alright, so this is one. The second one is again from optics to find the focal length of a convex lens by displacement method. Alright, then from current electricity you have using a meter bridge determine the resistance of about 100 centimeter of wire. And the fourth one is to verify Ohm's law by for a given unknown resistance. Okay, so these are the 4 practicals that you need to do. Okay, out of which 2 will come and 1 will include a graph. So graph is must. So one graph will definitely come in your exam. All right. Now points to remember. So in this practical, you don't have to worry about say the procedures or circuit diagrams or precautions what you need to take. That these things won't be asked in your exams. Okay, so the one thing that you need to know is how to get your observation tables. Okay, so there are certain things that you need to remember while you're observing your readings. Okay, so the first thing is consistent with a least count. Okay, so what it means is that whatever reading you are taking, for example for optics you are finding a focal length of a lens. In that case, if the lens, okay, is coming as 10 centimeters, you will not write it as 10, but you will write it as 10.0 centimeter, as the least count is 0.1. For a meter scale it is 0.1. Okay, so we all know what the meter scale is. Okay, so it starts with 0, then there are 10 divisions, then there is 1, then there are 10 divisions, 2, and so on. Okay, so how to find a least count? So you take, say this is 0 and this is 1, so you take this 1 minus 0, that is the difference, upon the number of divisions. How many divisions are there? 10. So this will give you 1 upon 10, which will be nothing but 0.1. The same thing is over here. Okay, you can take any 2 points, okay, any 2 numbers. For example, you took 2 minus 1 upon 10. Okay, that is a 10 is the number of divisions, 2 is this figure over here, and the previous figure is 1, so 2 minus 1, the difference, it will again give you 1 upon 10, that will be again 0.1. Hence, so the least count of a meter scale is 0.1. That's why whenever you're taking any readings, you'll make sure you will write it a point and a 0. This is very important. Okay, so just make sure you drench this in your brains. Okay, all right. Second thing is unit. Okay, so whenever you're writing any reading for that matter, you have to write the units. Okay, either for current electricity you're writing amps or volts or whatever you're writing, any units for your centimeter, you need to write the unit and you should use a correct unit. All right, and the least count for all for amps and voltmeter is also been done in a similar fashion. So whatever the reading is there, you will subtract it from the previous reading. Okay, and then you will divide it by the number of divisions that is there between them. Okay, and that is how you'll find the least count for ammeter and the voltmeter. All right, that's it. We'll stop over here. We'll continue with the next video.